And again, Nathan's trying to eat the carrots. Uh-oh, Nathan's climbing up. No climbing, just wait. He's sniffing. Let's go in. I'm sure once he sees us inside, he'll remember. He knows we have carrots and he'll follow us when we come back out. Let's go check inside. Let's go look for April and the baby. Whoa, look, there she is. Oh my goodness, she's right there. Look, do you see her? She's right there. No, you keep trying to eat the carrots. That's the only problem. You guys are eating the food. They're trying to eat the grapes.
Snack.
Yeah, pretty much.
I don't know if she's been able to reach you.
Oh, honey, I might have to lift you up.
Do you want me to? Do you want pictures of them? I don't mind if you're okay with it.
Look at her, she's trying now.
She's trying.
Got any tippy toes, honey? You're almost there.
Okay,
There you go. Oh, and look at the baby. Ethan, what's that? I'm gonna lift you up. Come here. Let me try.
Do you want me to take it?
I'm trying. He's trying to eat it. Is the problem. He's trying to eat the. Here. Hold this. Give it to her. There you go. Let's see anything.
I think I'm going to take
There
it right from the
There you go. Good dog. Oh, she grabbed it. Good job, Ethan. Look there. It's right there. Look.
Baby.
Look, there it is.
monkeys.
Look, there it is.
They're that way.